Okay, God created this world. Who created God? This is the question. I will answer this question. First, you should tell me which is the beginning point of a tennis ball. Where does the ball begins? See, we have the linear thinking, means everything has to begin somewhere, it has to end somewhere. Right? Something begins and something ends. So the creation happens and one day doomsday, everything is going to end. This is a linear thinking. But in the East, there is no linear thinking, it's a spherical thinking. They said three things are uncreated and they will never die, never end also. What is it? One is the energy, the divine energy, which you may call God or whatever. It is not created, it's never going to end. Like space. Can you tell me which is the beginning point of the space? Where does it end? No. Similarly, matter or this whole universe. The universe is anadi, means no beginning. Ananta means no end. So also the souls. Individual, the life has no beginning, no end. It appears to end, but it's going to begin again. It's like the waves in the ocean. One wave comes, it appears to end, but no, it's coming back again. The same water goes back and comes back again. So souls have no beginning, no end. The divine or God has no beginning, no end. And the universe has no beginning, no end. In fact, all three are one. So if you want to see God, you should stop seeing the world. You know in what sense? Like a quantum scientist. If a quantum scientist had to see this flower, he says there is no difference between the leaf and the flowers and the stem. Everything is made up of atoms. There is no difference, it's all one. Any one point anywhere will work. Similarly, a quantum physicist said to find out your DNA, just a drop of your saliva is good enough. Or just one pinch of skin is enough for him. It's all the same. Right? This is what a scientist would say. This is quantum science. But on the other hand, the petals are not stem. Stem is not the leaf. They are all different. So, if you want to see God, you just see the whole universe as just energy, and that is it. Got it?